Hi, it's Dr. Gina, Results Queen. Can you believe that it's the first Monday of March? We're almost done with the first quarter of this year. Now is a great time to take assessment of your new business development activities. Are you happy with what you've done over the last 60 days? Do you need to ramp it up? Do you need to be in the grind? Do you need to have a fuller pipeline? Do you need to close more clients? What are you doing in new business development? Now, one of the things that we do, and I'm going to look over here, is I have a whiteboard that sits right over here. I know you can't see it, that talks about 4 different columns of how I track new business development. Now, there's lots of ways to do it. I do it in many ways, but this is the simplest way, especially since you're assessing what you've done the last 60 days and what you want to do over the next 30 days to make your first quarter super successful. So the first column I have is called qualify. And that's where I'm connecting with all the people who are interested in talking to me. So anybody that sends me an email or someone who says you need to talk to them from networking, or I meet them in terms of speaking at a conference, they go there because I want to qualify them to make sure that they're the right person for me. They're my ideal target client. Then the next column is what I call the discover column. Now, what's discover? Discover is when I meet with them, whether that's in person or virtually, to talk about what are they looking for? What are their challenges? I use those 6 killer questions that I told you could download from our website to help me through those discovery calls or discovery meetings. Then after that, and that might take me a couple times in order to close a piece of business. And then the next one is propose. And that's when I send a proposal, or I'm waiting for a proposal back so that I can have the next part, close clients. So 4 columns, if you write them down on a piece of paper or put them on a spreadsheet, or you put them into a Word doc, or you just have a whiteboard like myself. Qualify, discover, proposed, and closed. 4 of those. Write them down, put all the information in that, and then track it. And you'll find that over the next 30 days, you're going to have a lot more business. And that will make your quarter amazing. I'm Dr. Gina, Results Queen. And if you'd like to get more resources or attend one of our live trainings, please go to cavemanbrain.com. I'm Dr. Gina, Results Queen. Go get results.